This bench wise assembly. Today we are going to see how to make it. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then assembly design. Now you have to import something inside the CATIA. So first go on this existing component and then click on product. Then from this you have to select something. I am going to take base inside first, so click on base and then open it from here. Now this is moving from one place to another, you can see. For that you have to first use this manipulation command. Where is this is manipulation command. Select and move it from one place to another place, because when you will take next component inside the CATIA, they will not interlink with each other. After that, use this fix component and fix the component. Now it's not able to move, you can see. Now I am going to import my next component. So again, after that, click on existing component and then click on product, and next component is vice jaw, so import it. Now use this coincide constraint. Select axis of voice jaw and central axis of base, and then we have to use this contact constraint. So this downside of the voice jaw and this upper side of the base should be in contact, so I have selected both of them. And again, now this is the offset constraint. So offset between outer surface of the jaw with the inner surface of the base should be 20, so take here 20 and click on OK. After that, update it from here. Now this is fixed, and we have to import our next component, so click on existing component, and then now our next component is base plate. So where is base plate? This is base plate, and now you have to rotate it. You can see these are the this is the hole. First use this where is the manipulation? This is the manipulation command, and now you have to move it upside down first, then take any of this and then move it from upside of this to downside. Then again click on this contact constraint, then distance between select the down surface of the base and upper surface of the base plate, and then again use this constraint command, coincide what is this coincide constraint, then the central axis of the whole of base plate with this hole. It will take some time, so first zoom it. Similarly, again coincide constraint and this line with this hole, and update it from here. Now similarly, you have to do one thing. Select this from the tree, and then use this symmetry command and select the central axis, so it will be mirror to second side. Now we have to input our next component, so click on existing component and then click on product. Now our next component is jaw screw. This is the jaw screw, then click on OK. Now you have to use this coincide constraint. Select the central axis of jaw screw and central axis of the base, and after that you have to use this contact constraint. So select the external part of the jaw screw and then this part of the vice jaw, and then update it from here. Now our next component, we have to import our next component, so click on again existing component and then go on product. Our next component is screw bar. So this is the screw bar. And now you have to first use this manipulation command. No, we don't need manipulation command, we need this contact constraint. Select the central axis of the screw bar and this central axis of mm, jaw screw, then update it from here. And then now you have to use this manipulation command to move it from one place to another, so we can fix it here. And now update it from here. This is how our screw bar is there. Now again go on existing component and then click on product. Our next component is bar gloves, so open it. Now we have to use this coincide constraint. Select central axis of the base screw bar and the central axis of the bar gloves. After that you have to use this contact constraint. Select this surface of the screw bar, and now where is the bar? And now this surface of the bar gloves, and update it from here. Similarly you have to uh, import again same, otherwise you can just click on the fast multiplication and then select this. Now you have to use again this coincide constraint. Select the central axis of this bar gloves and central axis of the screw bar, and now again this contact constraint with this surface of the not this this is the surface of bar gloves, and this is the surface of screw bar, and update it from here. Now our next component we have to import it, so click on existing component, then go on product, and our next component is clamping plate, so open clamping plate. Now we have to use manipulation command to rotate it upside down, so this is manipulation command. Now we can use this. You have to use this coincide constraint, so select one hole with this one hole, and again same another hole with this second hole, and we have to use contact surface, so contact constraint of this surface of the jaw with this surface upper surface of the clamping plate, and update it from here. Now this is fitted. Now our next component is we have to import it, so click on existing component and then go on product. Our next component is oval fillister, so I am importing it, oval fillister. Now this is oval fillister. You have to use this coincide constraint, so this is the central axis with of the oval fillister, and this is the central axis of voice jaw, and then we have to use again this contact constraint. Select this surface of the voice jaw with downside surface of the oval fillister, this surface, and update it. Now two parts are remaining. First go on existing component and then click on product. From here we are going to import our first component whose name is set screw 1, so this is set screw 1, and then open it. Now you have to first move it upside down, so use this manipulation command and move it upside down. Now click on OK. Our next we have to use this coincide constraint, so select the central axis of this with the central axis of this first side, and after that you have to use this contact constraint. So zoom here and select this inside surface of the hole with the top side of the screw, I mean bottom, V-shaped bottom side of this screw, and then click on OK and update it from here. This is where we have fitted it. Now from here you have to select from this tree and then go on the symmetry command and select the central axis, I mean central plane, and click on OK. Similarly from here select it, use this symmetry command and use symmetry and then finish. Similarly this, and then symmetry and the central plane and finish. Our next component is set screw 2, so click on existing component, then go on product and then select set screw 2 and open it here. First you have to move it upside down, so use manipulation option from here and just rotate it, and then now you have to use this coincide constraint, so this should be coincide with this axis, and now you have to use this contact constraint and select inside of the hole with the this bottom shape, this bottom V shape, and click on OK and update it from here. Now we have to use symmetry command, so select it from tree and then use symmetry command and then select the central axis and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our sketch. Now I am going to show you how to hide all the planes, so I will show you it in next video. So thank you so much guys for this video. Thank you for watching it, and please share it and subscribe it.